Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea without milk. First, begin by selecting fresh, cold water. This is crucial for a clean taste. Next, heat your water to the ideal temperature. For black teas, aim for a rolling boil around 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Green and white teas prefer slightly cooler temperatures, typically between 175 and 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a clean kettle ensures no lingering flavors interfere with your perfect cup. Now, let's steep the tea. For each 8 ounces of water, add 1 tea bag or 1 level teaspoon of loose leaf tea to your cup or teapot. Carefully pour the freshly heated water directly over the tea, ensuring full immersion. Allow the tea to steep for the recommended duration. Black teas typically need 3 to 5 minutes, while green teas are often ready in 1 to 3 minutes. Oversteeping can lead to bitterness, so keep an eye on the clock. Once your tea has steeped to perfection, it's time to serve. Carefully remove the tea bag, or if using loose leaf, strain the tea into your chosen mug, separating the leaves from the liquid. Now you have a beautiful, clear cup of tea. If you desire, enhance the flavor with a thin slice of fresh lemon or add a small spoonful of honey for a touch of sweetness. Enjoy the pure, unadulterated taste. There are many ways to customize your tea experience. Don't hesitate to explore various tea types, from robust black teas to delicate white teas, to discover what you love most. You can also adjust the steeping time. A longer steep yields a stronger brew, while a shorter one results in a milder cup. Remember to store your tea properly in an airtight container, away from direct light and moisture, to maintain its freshness and flavor for many months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.